What's up, team? What's up, team? So, as you can see, I got the glasses on. Got my buddy in the back. Say hi. All right. So me and my son, we're heading to the beach. We're gonna have a little beach day, but first, we gotta stop at Walmart, get his nicks and knacks. He has a list of stuff that he wants. What do you want, buddy?
I want beach toys.
What else? What else do you want?
I want,
You want sunscreen?
yeah,
What else?
and the dump truck beach toy and the monster truck beach toy.
Okay. Do you want sunscreen?
Yeah, and
Okay. All right. So that's mainly what we get. We get some sunscreen.
beach.
Because as you can see, it is hot outside, and I gotta make sure we protect it from those UV rays.
Yeah.
All right, guys. See you guys in a minute.
The monster trucks.
No, you need stuff for the beach, not monster trucks. Come on, go this way.
Where's the monster truck beach?
Make a left. Make a left right here.
The left.
Yes.
And the right. This is the right. Dad, I need goggles to see underwater.
Let's get a nice one though. Look over here. Look over here. Go over there. Yeah, put that back. Look, these might be nice. You like these?
Whoa, they're fish water. Dad. What is this?
You don't need that. Here, look, this is a nice one right here for kids.
Daddy.
Yeah.
How? Who needs it?
You just need one. Take one. Take only one.
I got one already.
No, but you're taking the whole box. Just got gas. We got toys. We got a life jacket. We got sunscreen. What time is it?
Beach time!
What time is it?
Beach time!
All right, so it's finally time for us to roll out and head to the beach. We're gonna head there. It's about 79 degrees. We got sunscreen. We got all the good stuff. We got all the essentials that we need. Two guys heading to the beach, right? All right, finally. So this is the first vlog. As you can see, not very good at filming vlogs yet, but hey, number one is a beach trip with my son. As you can see, we went to Walmart, got the essentials, got the bare necessities, and now we're heading east. We're heading to the beach, baby. Ow! Let's go. There's the beach, man.
A beach? Dun, dun, dun.
Yeah.
Oops. Dad, we're here. Dad, we're here in the beach.
We're gonna park in the parking garage. Yeah. Nope. One that's coming up. A lot of people at the beach today. Hey, what about the bucket? Oh my God. Oh, it's broken. It's broken.
That's the water. Pouring.
Oh, you broke it. Oh, it's broken. It's broken. Look at this guy. Don't go into that hole. Don't go into the hole. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Woo! Woo! We're leaving this beach. Look at the aftermath. Look at this guy. Can't even hang. Can't hang, man. Woo. Some people are lightweights. Look at him. The beach got the best of them, but they got some honeys out here. Woo. Well, it was a fun day. It was cold. A little too cold for my taste. Got my feet wet. Yes, sir.
Did we go to Wendy's to get me? I want some fries and chicken nuggets and a juice and a sauce. That's it, Dad.
Okay, no problem. We'll do that.
Thanks.
Oh, it's got to be good to be a kid. You get to just order people around. You know, your wish is my command, sir. All right, here we go.